Taking a look at the controls, the middle section is the filter settings. These are what add or take away the frequencies. The frequency cutoff is what will control how much is boosted or cut of the selected frequency. Notice on the snare I automated the cutoff to start in the very low frequencies, then move up as the snare builds like this. Everything after this curve is cut out, which is called a low pass filter, which only lets low frequencies pass through and starts to bring the highs back in as the cutoff knob moves up across the frequency. Let's check out the other filter types using our drums this time. We already checked out low pass, but now let's listen to it with our drums. Now let's take a listen to high pass. Notice this time only the high frequencies came through till we started sweeping the frequency to the left.